Assalamu Alaikum everyone. Today's video is all about a beautiful and simple Mehendi design, often referred to as Arabic Mehendi design. If you love this design, make sure to give it a try. And if you do, don't forget to tag me on YouTube or Instagram. I'll be sharing your lovely attempts on my Insta story. If you enjoyed watching this design, please give it a like, share it with your loved ones, and comment your thoughts below. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more beautiful Mehendi tutorials and tips. Stay tuned till the end for the final reveal. It's worth it, I promise. Thank you all for your love and support. May Allah bless you with happiness, health, and peace. See you in the next video, and as always, keep smiling and stay blessed.